Welcome friends, in today's video we will be working on project number 16, that is spam mail prediction using logistic regression. And the dataset we will be using is SMS spam collection dataset that is provided by Kaggle. It has total two columns. The first one is the target column, which is the output, which says ham and spam. It has two values, whereas second one is the message, which has the message, and we have to predict whether this message is a spam or ham. So first we will be importing our libraries. Import pandas as pd from selection, and we will also using TF-ID vectorization. Feature extraction dot, we don't need pickle. So what is NumPy? NumPy is used to create arrays. Pandas are used to convert our dataset into pandas data structure. Then we have train test split, that is used to split our dataset into training and test data. Then we have logistic regression, that is the algorithm that we will be using to train our model. Then we have the accuracy score, that will be used to test the accuracy of our model. Then we have TF-ID vectorization, that is used to convert our text into vectors, or you can say numerical forms. So coming back to our code, so I have already uploaded the mail data using this upload session button, and you can download it from this button. Now coming next, I will be loading the data into pandas data frame. For that, let's create a variable mail data is equals to read csv pd.read csv. Name of the file is mail data.csv. Now let's print the first 5 rows. Mail data.head. So it has two columns, category and message. Categories has two values, ham and spam, and this message will be converted to vectors, or you can say numerical forms, and we will also be converting this ham and spam to numerical values, because models only know the numerical values. Let's see how many rows and columns are there. So there are total 5,572 rows with 2 columns. Let's see the basic information. Okay, mail data. So both have data type of object, and we don't have any null values, as 5572 5572 there is in the both. So we don't have any null values. But to check, sometimes what happen in the message, there is a empty string, so like a space bar or a null character. Just to check that or overcome that problem, what we can do, we can replace all the empty strings in the message and in the category with the empty string. Okay, so mail data is equals to mail data dot where pandas dot not null mail data. So what it will do, it will check for both the columns, this line, and check whether our text has a null character or not. If there is a null character, it will replace it with the empty string. Okay, so now uh, we will convert this category into numerical forms. Okay, so mail data dot replace, then we have category, and we have spam as we have small sp, spam with 0 and ham with 1. Now what we can do, let's print the first 5 rows first. Yeah, so mail data dot head. So our data has not changed. Why? Because we didn't add it in place. In place is equals to true. Now let's rerun it. Now our data has updated. Now let's see the distribution. Mail data category dot value counts. It will tell us the distribution of zeros and 1. So we have 4825 as 1 and 747 as 0. Now we will separate the labels and target. So X will contain the message and Y will contain the category. Yeah, that is the output. So X is equals to mail data. Yeah, let's print X and Y just to check. So our data, so X has all the messages and Y has the target column. Now we will split the data into training and test. So X train, X test, Y train, Y test is equals to train test split both the, yeah, that is correct. Let's print the shape. X dot shape, X train dot shape, X test dot shape. Initially we have 5572 rows, but after splitting into 80 and 20 portion, we are left with 4457 in X train and 1115 in X test. Okay, now we will do feature extraction. For this we will create a variable feature extraction, or you can say basically we are converting our message into numerical form. So and let me write, I will explain it later. X train features of it transform as type int. So what I did here, okay, so what it says, the lowercase parameter table must be instance of bool instead, so got true instead, in where the lowercase parameter of t must be bool, got numpy dot bool. Okay, so there's a mistake we have here, so it should be true. So let me explain what I did. First, I converted all the messages into numerical form. So min_df means the the words which are in at least one document will be considered. Then we have stop words. Stop words are basically the words like which do not add significance to uh, any sentence, like is, the, are. These are the stop words. Then we converted all the uh, letters to lowercase. Then I converted extrain and extrest to numerical values, and I've also converted the data type to int of the target column. Now we will do model training. For that we will initialize our model. Model is equals to logistic regression model.fit xtrain ytrain. We have xtrain features, sorry, xtrain features will be there. So our model has been trained. Now we will predict the accuracy score on training data. So accuracy score on training data. First we will predict our output. So prediction on training data, and let's print the accuracy score. Print accuracy score. So accuracy is coming out to be 96%. Now we will predict on accuracy on test data. Prediction correction. So our accuracy is coming out to be 96.6 on test data, which is great. Any accuracy above 70% is considered as good. Now we will be creating predictive model. So let's type input mail is equals to let me decide. Okay, I have, okay, then we will convert this mail into TF-ID vectorization. So we will be converting it into we will vectorize it. So input data feature is equals to feature extraction dot transform. Then we have our input mail prediction. Yeah, that's correct. So let me take any, let's take the first one. Let me take a full sentence first. So downloads, edit in notepad. So it is a spam. Let me take it. Okay, so it is a spam mail. So our it is a spam mail. So our project is working fine. So if you have any query regarding this project, do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.